Well, you might be able to hear that we've got up this morning to some quite bad winds, 55 mile an hour, and they're also gusting as well, which makes it even worse. So I think we ought to go up garden and just have a quick check, make sure nothing's been damaged. And hopefully where you are, you've not got these winds. Let's go and have a look. This has been going on pretty much all night. It's knocked a bit of fencing down. I expected that. And also this trellis broke that as well. Let's go and take a look further up garden. Well, that box has been tipped up. I keep all my trees and stuff in here. I can see some more damage straight away. It's blew door off that greenhouse. It's like a couple of panes have been knocked out back, so it's created a through wind which has just knocked that door off. But at least that glass isn't broke, so we can just pop that back in. I'm not doing it today though, it's pointless because this is going to go on pretty much most of the day. Quite a few fallen branches as well from this tree. And that's a big branch that's broke there. Not just a tiny little branch. Let's try and get that moved somewhere. So that takes quite a bit of force to snap a branch that thick. But I can't clear it up today, it's just not fit. It's also knocked some more fencing down here and battered that T-Rex plant. These leaves were going to be dying back anyway, but that wind's put pay to them. It's snapped them all off. Doesn't look half as impressive as it used to. And we've got some more panes that's come out. That's out of that part of the greenhouse. So quite a bit of damage really. So glad that I put that greenhouse down side of that shed, because that would definitely have got battered today. It's knocked a bit of glass over, but at least that part's all alright. Just checking this greenhouse. Oh, I can see where that pane's gone there. Again, there's no point in trying to fix it today. We'll take a look at that when this wind calms down. Still no broad beans. But what plants are left in here, they do look okay. As garlic's fine. That 5-foot carrot container Looks perfectly alright. And it looks like we've got some more germination as well, which is pretty good. Those are sweet peas, because we put 3 or 4 seeds in each cell, so they're on their way up now, and that beetroot's come on a little bit more as well. I'm just going to have a quick look at how things are getting on inside. There's not much or anything that we can do out here today. And I see it's blowing another panel in on that greenhouse, so that one didn't get away with it either. Jobs for another day. It just shows you what damage a bit of wind can do. So we've got panels blown in on greenhouse, some of the glass has been knocked out, we've got a door that's basically been ripped off, and a few fencing panels that's damaged. And also that T-Rex that's been battered now. It's basically a bare trunk. But it is that time of year where that plant will start to lose branches anyway. That wind's just getting an helping hand. It'll come back perfectly fine next year. But as for clearing things up, the weather's not really fit to do anything today, because it also keeps raining. And that branch that's broke off that tree, the summit region are about 25 to 30 feet and quite thick as well. So you can see it through night. That wind really battered everything. Let's just go into the front room and see if we've got any progress with those plants that we're trying to grow indoors. So I've got a couple of lights on in here. I brought that lettuce in to see how it get on. Let's just take this top off. Hopefully that wire will reach. The lettuce looks perfectly fine. And I've got a bit of germination in this tub as well. I'm pretty sure that that's spinach. But I did put a few extra pepper seeds in there, so maybe we'll get something. It looks like we've got a couple of onions that's starting to come through as well. And that's where we've put those pepper seeds. Not much or anything happening at the moment, but it has only been a couple of days. Unless that's one right there trying to come through. We'll give that another week or so, see what happens. Well, we've got a bit of progress, nothing to get too excited about, but that's always the way at this time of year. I came in just in time as well, because it's just started pouring it down. So once again, I'm going to leave that for today. And we'll check back on those plants in a day or so and see if we've got any more germination. And apart from that, we're going to have to go out there sometime before Christmas and get things cleaned up. Hopefully, you're not having the same problems. And if you're interested in seeing what else we do over the next few months, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell. I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.